like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do like, share and subscribe, and if ever you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much and welcome back. So in today's video, as you would have seen by the title, I will be doing my neighbor's nails. She asked me to do her nails yesterday around 4 p.m. and I wanted to say no, but then yeah, the most annoying part that I have to do the nails outside and the weather is not giving at all. The weather is not giving. So as in, I'm just bored. I'm so bored because it's cold outside and I can't do the nails inside because some of my family members have sinuses, so I don't want to, escalate that.
But then for now, guys, I'm going to do the house chores. After doing the house chores, I'm going to eat. Then after eating, I'm going to go outside and cool her so that she can come and do her nails.
Guys, so I decided to do the nails here at veranda, so I'm just like, okay, I'll kind of figure now, so let us do the nails because like airport and there are people passing here, guys, and the weather is not on our side, so yeah.